First, we're going to paste in the contract address for the token. From there, we can click on the token tracker link. Next, we'll click on contract. Then we'll click on write contract. From there, we'll click on the connect to Web3 link. Select which wallet you would like to connect. As you can see now, we're connected. Here's the fun part. We'll scroll down until we reach the claim function. When we make it down to claim, click on the write button. You'll see a confirmation box asking if you'll like to confirm the transaction. Go ahead and click on that button. A new button will pop up that says view your transaction. If you give it a moment and then refresh the page, you should see a success status. If you've completed all these steps, you should be good to go. Your rewards should now be available in your wallet. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions, please contact us on Shilly Wonka's Discord server, the Shilly Wonka Shitcoin Factory.